Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make Shahi Paneer. For this we have taken white onion and garlic puree. This is a paste. Also some masala is required. Uh, this is turmeric, gram flour, salt, kasuri methi, garam masala, red chilli powder as well as green chilies. So after this green coriander leaves also is required, milk, malai, and of course paneer cubes or slices is required, and some tomato purees. So all these ingredients are necessary to make Shahi Paneer. So now take a pan and add some oil to it, and after few seconds add onion and garlic paste to it and fry until it get brown nice color. Now you need to mix it at low flame gas till it get golden brown. Let it be fried for a few minutes because you need to cook it for low flame gas. After this I am adding gram flour. 1 tablespoon of gram flour is required. It will give new twist to the Shahi Paneer recipe as well as add new texture to it. Now mix it very properly. All the things have been turned into brown color. See, you can see this nice brown color is out. After this I will be adding turmeric powder, also garam masala, kasuri methi, and some sukha dhania is required, salt to taste, and yes, some green chilies. Now mix all the masala with the onion garlic paste. Cook it for at least 1 to 2 minutes and mix all the ingredients. After this we will be adding tomato puree to the mixture. Now we need to cook the tomato puree. Thick paste has been formed here. Tomato will give nice color to the recipe.
Okay.
After this I will be adding half glass of water to it to make a gravy. Now mix it. So here masala has been almost prepared. We need to let it be for a few minutes and cover it with the help of a plate. So after few minutes put off the plate out and now mix the gravy. Nice fragrance has been coming out from the recipe and brilliant texture as well as color has been formed in the Shahi Paneer recipe. So now I'll be adding paneer cubes or slices. Mix it very smoothly. Wow, it's looking very nice. Okay, last but not least, milk. Half cup of milk we need to add at last. This is a new twist, and cover off with the help of a plate and let it cook for few minutes. Okay, so now the Shahi Paneer recipe is almost done. It's looking very nice. We will be garnishing it with some coriander leaves, fresh coriander leaves. See the color as well as texture of the Shahi Paneer. It's looking lovely and very delicious. I must recommend you to try this recipe. Okay, so we will